APNU newcomer Ravoldo Birbal urges Guyanese to vote for change on September 1st. Ravoldo Birbal, a newcomer and youth candidate for the A Partnership for National Unity, APNU, is calling on Guyanese citizens to head to the polls on Monday and vote for his party to remove the governing People's Progressive Party, PPP, from office. Speaking at a public meeting in Riverton, Birbal on Wednesday night, Birbal emphasized that the upcoming election should mark the end of injustice and a system that he claims works against the poor and working class. He criticized the current administration for corruption and the rising cost of living, declaring, "You are voting against the high cost of living. The high cost of living is on the ballot, Riverton. After September 1st, 2025, that ends." Birbal condemned the past 5 years as marred by extrajudicial killings and emphasized the urgent need for justice. "We are voting against injustice. We are voting against corruption. We are voting against extrajudicial killings in our country," he stated, rallying support for APNU's presidential candidate, Aubrey Compton Norton. He assured the audience that a government led by Norton would create a safer environment for youth, allowing them to roam the streets without fear. Birbal highlighted the party's candidates, urging citizens not to forget those on the ballot, including Ariana Young and Ronald Peters. In his address, presidential candidate Aubrey Norton criticized the government's rush to open schools and hospitals ahead of the elections, claiming many of these facilities lack essential resources. He pointed to issues developing at the Lima Hospital, arguing, "They are not interested in delivering medical services. They are interested in building buildings to get corruption money from it." Norton accused the current administration of squandering billions of dollars through corrupt practices while the poor continue to struggle. He outlined APNU's people-centered manifesto, promising free house lots for eligible citizens, along with a rent-to-own plan and rent assistance programs for low-income families. On education, Norton argued that while the government boasts about providing free education, they are merely correcting a previous wrong. He promised that under an APNU administration, school children would benefit from free transportation, hot meals, and a $120,000 annual grant. As the election date approaches, both Birbal and Norton are rallying support for their vision of a better Guyana, urging citizens to vote for change and a brighter future.